General Sibanda's family ties shield Mnangagwa from Coup talk. The 1st of September 2025. By Hopewell Chinona, Harare, Zimbabweans must understand that General Philip Valerio Sibanda is not just another figure in Emerson Mnangagwa's power orbit. To Mnangagwa, Sibanda is more than a colleague, he is family. In English, they call him a cousin, but in Shona culture, he is regarded as a younger brother. That family bond alone makes it unthinkable that Sibanda would execute a coup against Mnangagwa, only to hand power to another man. It is like my cousin staging a coup against me, only to install someone from a different clan, I argue. It won't happen. Equally important is Sibanda's attitude towards Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. People must realize that General Sibanda does not rate Chiwenga highly. This dynamic, which has rarely been explained by the media, is central to understanding Zimbabwe's military politics. I hope one day military historians like Professor Miles Tendi will carefully document these relationships and loyalties. At present, much of the public narrative leaves out these crucial details, doing citizens a disservice. The family connection runs deeper than many realize. Mnangagwa's other side of the family is also Sibanda, which explains why former Cabinet Secretary Miss Hex Sibanda stood with him during the late Robert Mugabe's downfall. Miss Hex's loyalty, too, was not just political but rooted in kinship. This is why talk of Sibanda turning on Mnangagwa remains misplaced. Family ties, trust, and clan loyalty are stronger than political calculations in this equation.